Cooking method, steaming. Steaming at home. So, what I've done is, I've got a pan, it's quite tall, I've got about that much water in it, can you see? So it's not, I haven't filled it up. I've got my little strainer here. However, you could use a colander maybe, a mini colander, but I'm going to use my strainer. So the idea is that when the water's boiling, it's not touching the food, it's just using the steam. So I'm putting that on there like so. I've also got a makeshift lid, a bit of tin foil, I've put on the top, and a little lid to hold it down. And then once the vegetable's in there, it will steam the vegetables. So now I've got the pan on, water's going to start boiling, get the steam going, lid on, and then we'll leave it for 30 seconds. I'll demonstrate with spinach, so it's going to be quite quick. Okay. So, do you like to nibble spinach? I do. Spinach. Okay, right. So the water now is boiling quite rapidly. The steam's going. So I've got my spinach. I'm going to drop my spinach in the steamer. Got my lid, and I put the lid on. Just hold it down a little bit. Remember, it's really hot, so be careful. I'll just give it a few seconds. And then we still have a look at the steamed spinach. You really smell it. Get a real strong spinachy cooking smell. Okay, to do with a pair of tongs. However, I must have left them somewhere. I don't know where I left them. Okay, so let's have a look. That was about, what's that, 20 seconds, 30 seconds? There's the spinach. Because I've got it in the nice little dish thing, I can take it off quite easily. And as you can see, the spinach is now steamed. Look at that. So, yeah, and there we have my steamed spinach. So that's literally taken, what, 20 seconds, 30 seconds? So that's steaming. Cooking method of steaming. Tall pan, bit of water, boil the water. I'm using my little strainer, in there, food in there, steam it inside. Tin foil lid, hold it down. Give it however long you need to steam it, and then just take it all off. The great thing about this little strainer is you can take it straight off, and it's in there. Tip it out. Cooking method, steaming. Oh, cooking method, steaming at home.